What if your best ROAS campaign is actually your worst growth campaign? This happens all the time, and it can be solved by applying the intention force of the 5 forces methodology. Why would your best ROAS be your worst growth campaign? Well, a lot of times it's simply harvesting existing demand that's been generated from somewhere else. Or the in-platform ROAS is just showing off fastest conversions, which is probably related to the first thing I just said, harvesting existing demand, not actually generating that demand. Let's look at how the intentions of a marketing campaign and the process of using them can help spot this issue and, more importantly, fix it. Intention is simple. What is this campaign for? Because not every campaign has been hired by you as the marketer to do the same job. Some campaigns are for cold traffic at top of the funnel. Other campaigns are for new customer acquisition. And some campaigns are to retarget and close people. It's not common all 3 goals or intentions that I've mentioned can be accomplished by one campaign. The mistake most people make is having all these different jobs being done by different campaigns, but then judging them by the same one metric, in-platform ROAS usually. This punishes top of the funnel and rewards retargeting. And so you end up just funneling recycled demand. Also, you're training your stakeholders to expect and want short-term results as demonstrated by in-platform ROAS, which makes it very tough to get them to see the logic and have the patience needed for top of the funnel and new customer acquisition. Scott from Wicked Reports here. Thanks for watching the video. We'll get right back to it. I did want to let you know we have the complete guide to new customer acquisition on Meta that is available. Click the link below. So here's a rule, is to have the intention of the campaign determine the Northstar KPI, which you will then use the Northstar KPI to determine whether you should spend more, less, or the same on the campaign after you get the results. So if the intention is new customer acquisition, your North Star is NCAC. NCAC is short for new customer acquisition cost. If the intention is top of the funnel cold traffic, the North Star metric is first click ROAS as measured by a cross-channel measurement solution, not in platform. Although each platform doesn't show first click anyway, so you can't do it with the platforms right now. If the intention is retargeting or bottom of the funnel, then your North Star is multi-touch return on ad spend. Just that one change, matching KPI to intention, stops most of the fighting inside brands and agencies and aligns on the need for net new customer growth using a pragmatic, disciplined approach to top of the funnel and new customer acquisition. Instead of arguing, is the ROAS good, you're able to have the right measurement in place so you can say, is this campaign doing its job right? Because you've now given the campaign the correct scoreboard to use. If a top of the funnel campaign, by its very definition, is supposed to introduce you to new people, it may look bad short term because new people take time to convert. But it can be the pipeline to generate your best next future high lifetime value customers. But if you measure it like a retargeting campaign, it's more likely you're going to kill it or not give it as much spend as it needs. This is why alignment on the intention or job to be done, and then using the right measurement for that job, will then allow you to properly measure the campaigns and evaluate if they're working and not cut them too soon. If you're a current Wicked Reports user, the training link below will take you right to how we use intentions in the tool so you can set them up and get rocking and rolling. Next week's video is on the second 5 force, expectations, the part that fixes false failures because you use the wrong time window to measure.